How to add links to Instagram story. If you want a link on your Instagram story that you want your followers to click, then you have come across the right video. At some point it was only Instagrams with over 10,000 followers, but now everyone can do it, so let's get started. Start off with opening up your Instagram app. When you are on the home page, look up in the left corner and click the blue plus icon to the right of your profile picture. Now choose what you want to post on your story, where I will choose this nice picture. In the top you see the little sticker icon, which you need to click. In the sticker category is a lot of options, but the one we need to click on is the link tab. Now post the link you want people to click, and after that you can customize it by clicking the plus icon under the link you put in. I will just right-click here for the sake of the video. Click Done in the top right corner and the link will now be a part of your story with the customized text. That's it. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment if it fixed your problem, and be sure to check out the other videos on the screen as well. Thanks for watching.